Question 33. Which of the following events can be seen as the stepping stone for the growth of the foreign direct investment or FDI in India? Now, stepping stone means the first step or the point where it all started. The correct answer is the economic liberalization in 1991, which is option B. From the time of independence, India followed a socialistic and a very restrictive economic policy. Almost all the major industries and financial institutions like banks were nationalized. Private industries and businesses were tightly controlled by the license quota permit Raj. To start any business, you needed a license. The government would give you a quota on how much you could produce, and to sell what you had made, you needed a permit. And quite often, the government would even decide what is the price at which you could sell. And foreign investments were severely restricted. In 1977, a Foreign Exchange Regulation Act was passed, which said that foreign investors cannot own more than 40% in Indian enterprises. And several MNCs like IBM and Coca-Cola exited India at that time. By 1991, the Indian economy had reached such a bad state that we did not have enough foreign exchange to pay for our imports and other obligations, like the interest and the principal amount on international loans. This was part of the balance of payments crisis. In 1991, India was even forced to pledge its gold to secure a $405 million loan from the Bank of England. And India also had to take much bigger loans from IMF and the World Bank. As part of the loan negotiations, the government of India had to agree to some structural reforms of the Indian economy, including the liberalization of the foreign direct investment policies. After that, the FDI into India started to increase significantly. So, the stepping stone for the growth of foreign direct investment in India were the 1991 reforms. Option B.